From the 1st of January 2019, employers will no longer be required to issue a P45 to an employee and submit the P45 Part 1 to Revenue when an employee leaves. Instead, an employee's leave date will be reported to Revenue in the final payroll submission made for the employee. Therefore, to process a leaver in Thesaurus Payroll Manager, you will now enter their leave date at the time of entering final payment to them and before you update the pay period. To perform this task, simply access Process icon number 3 and select the employee using the drop-down menu. Next, enter all final pay items due to them. Then, tick the field provided to indicate the employee is leaving. At the prompt, click Yes if it is correct that the employee is to be part of the current pay run you are processing. Enter the employee's leave date as required in the field provided. To finish, click Update File to save the information you have entered. On updating your pay period using process icon number 5, the associated payroll submission that is created for you will now include details of the employee leaving and their leave date. Simply submit this to Revenue using process icon number 6. The employee's record will now indicate that they have left the employment and they will no longer be included in any future pay runs. In the event that you need to issue a mid-period final payslip, for example if an employee is leaving mid-month, or you need to include a taxable or non-taxable lump sum payment on an employee's final payslip, a dedicated facility is provided to facilitate these situations. To access this facility, go to Payslips and process final payment for an employee leaving. If further payments are due to an employee, tick to indicate this and complete the final payslip accordingly. Then enter the employee's date of leaving in the field provided. Click Next to continue. The employee's final payslip will be displayed on screen. If all is correct, click Finalize. The employee's final payslip will now be available for printing or emailing within process icon number 7. At the time of finalising the final payment, a payroll submission will also be created, which will include the details of the employee leaving and their leave date. Simply submit this to Revenue using process icon number 6. The employee's record will now be updated to indicate that they have left the employment and the employee will no longer be included in any future pay runs.